Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So how is everybody doing today? Well, I hope you guys are doing fine. Yeah. Today is day 43, I believe, or day 44. Okay, one of those days. Definitely close. I know I am. I know. Okay, yeah, I'm going to go into the fitness studio and I am excited. We have beautiful weather today. And I got my summer outfit on, my summer gym outfit. And this is all H&M, except this top. This is Nike. And yeah, I got my light springy colors, springy / summer clothes on, or gym clothes on. I am definitely ready to work out. No, I'm not. I'm not ready to work out. No, I'm just kidding. No, I am. You know how that is. You're like, okay, I'm ready to go. And then you're like, oh, it looks so nice. I don't know how it is for you all, but like when the weather's nice, I feel like shopping. I don't know. It's just like I got so many cute little outfits, and then you want to get some nice pieces for your place. And so, I don't know what it is. It's like when the weather is nice, you want to go shop. At least I do. And trust me, I love to shop. I mean, I am typical woman, I guess one would say. I just like to shop. So, yeah, when the weather is nice, I want to go out and browse through the stores and, pick up whatever's cute. And here it's common that, like when you walk through downtown, the little cute little shops, they always have their little accessories outside or whatever it may be. So, yeah. I feel like shopping instead of working out, but I'm going to go work out. Yesterday, I did not eat much at all. Sometimes I have a habit of not properly eating in the morning. I mean, I really have to take care of that, at least eat a banana. And then oftentimes, because I'm running around and stuff, I don't have time during the day or early afternoon to eat. Because I'm just running around doing errands. So, and then when I get home, it's late. And yeah, I've changed my eating habits since I've been living in Europe. So I don't eat I normally don't eat after 6. And it's because they say that, yeah, your stomach is working. Your stomach's working through the night when you eat so late. So it's better to eat during the day and then to have like a light snack in the evening. And a light snack meaning like a bread or something, toast bread sandwich or something. But over here, the food is served like around 1 or 2. So that's when you have your dinner, basically, or heavy. That's when you eat your heavy foods. So, yeah, so I just adapted the way of eating. And, yeah, lately I've been, yeah, like I said, during the day, I just sometimes don't find the time to eat. So what I did eat, however, I had a light salad and I had some rice, some spicy rice. So yeah, nothing special, very, very light. So, of course, this morning I'm feeling also very, very light, not heavy. My stomach doesn't feel heavy. It's not bloated. I don't know, last few days my stomach's been bloated. I had some muesli. Muesli, what is muesli? Muesli's like oatmeal, dried oatmeal, granola. Would you say granola, oatmeal, muesli? Okay. Yeah, I had some of that, and sometimes it upsets my stomach, even though I love it. I love me some muesli. And some mornings I do eat it. But this morning I didn't eat. I had a banana. So, I had a banana and like one of these sports bars, sports, what do you call it? Sports snacks. I have to show you all what I'm talking about. It's like a granola bar, something like that, but not really granola because it's not sweet. It's basically made from fruits, and so yeah, that's what I had. And what else? Yeah, I saw something really interesting yesterday, online in YouTube. On YouTube, yeah, it's YouTube. Man, I find out so much stuff over YouTube. It's crazy. Um, and yeah, it was this one YouTuber or vlogger was doing a story about how Morphe and Jaclyn Hill are both being sued because of the eye makeup. Apparently isn't really for the eyes, and it's been tested allegedly that there's been other substances put into these eyeshadows, which has caused some damage to some people. So there's a lawsuit going on, allegedly. So I'm like, wow, okay. I have purchased the Morphe palette. The what's that guy's name? Charles. I can't come to his name right now. What is his name? Charles. I even had it on one of my YouTube videos. It's one of my makeup tutorials. Yeah, so guys, I think we're going to have to really invest in and check out what we're applying to our face. I never did that, because I figured, if the item is expensive, and Morphe, mind you, is not that expensive like MAC and Fenty and all the really big names, although Morphe is also a big name. But I figured, after a certain if you're paying a certain price, you're expecting that these companies are legit and, truthful about what they're putting into their products, and not, having harmful substances in these, makeup products, especially around the eyes. We all know how sensitive the eyes are. And Huda Beauty was also part of this lawsuit, allegedly. I'm hearing that you can read about it. I tried to go into detail. I tried to read up on it. It was quite late, and it's the eyeshadows. There's supposed to be a difference between eyeshadow and eye pigment. So I was pretty much reading up on like what the difference is, because those are things that I never really paid attention to. However, I do notice that my eyes often water, and but usually they're watering if it's kind of cold outside. My eyes will just start all of a sudden running, and I never had that before. So I don't know. Maybe I need to really investigate and see, okay, and really start reading, which substances are harmful. These companies are actually supposed to list, or they're supposed to make a statement like, if these items that they're selling could be possibly harmful for the eyes, and so yeah, that's kind of scary, because those are products that I use, and Huda Beauty belongs to the more high-end makeup. I mean, it's not high-end, but I mean, Huda Beauty's not cheap, okay? I use their concealer, and the concealer I pay is like around $30. So we're not talking cheap stuff here. So yeah, I would be interested to investigate. I'm gonna check that out, and yeah. So guys, if you love makeup as much as I do, I think one has to really take the time out and investigate, what are you putting in, what you're putting on your skin. Do you have some type of allergic reaction? Are these products harmful for you? Yeah, that was quite scary because, James Charles, that's his name, James Charles Morphe, they did a collaboration, and yeah, they have a palette, and it's still being sold. And I heard what's different, the regulations over here, of course, are different to the regulations what's going on in America and Europe. So they've pulled a lot of the Morphe palettes, allegedly. I've heard a lot of businesses, or you can't find them. I don't know. This is what I'm hearing. Over here, it's still being sold. So, yeah, that's kind of scary. Because if that's, in fact, the case, then I don't know. I might have to chuck my palette also away, or do a test and see, is this the truth, or, ooh, that's messed up. So it just goes to show you really have to take care and really don't just put anything on your face or anything on your eyes. I always thought it was the real cheap stuff. I thought, okay, there I have to take care. Most of this cheap stuff, is it really good? Is it harmful? But wow, that was an eye-opener. So, anywho, yeah, thought I would share that, guys. And yeah, I did do my eyes this morning. I used the Conspiracy from Jeffree Star palette this morning. There we go, my hoarse voice. Gotta have me a glass of water. Had my coffee, but I didn't have my glass of water. Anywho, guys, so I'm about to mosey on in here and do my exercise and get it on out the way. And stick around. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe. I'm constantly uploading videos. Just don't know which day. But yeah, when I get a chance, I will put a video up. I'm trying to stay consistent. And I'm going to be soon doing another Zara tutorial. I bought a few items, again, from Zara. Zara's got some cute items, so I like to show you all what I got. And, all right, guys. See you a bit. And don't go nowhere.